Hello, students. Today's topic dishonor bill. Dishonor, it means acceptor does not able to pay the amount. Acceptance it means drawee. So drawee will not capable to pay that amount. That bill called the dishonor. On which condition? Draws bill dishonor, discounted bill dishonor, endorsed bill dishonor, and bank for collection bill dishonor. That time you remember four words like bills receiver, cash bank, endorse, bank for collection. Repeat bills receiver, cash bank, endorse, bank for collection. When draws bill dishonor, you say bills receiver. When discounted bill dishonor, cash bank, endorse bill dishonor, endorsees, bank for collection bill dishonor, bank for collection. So repeat. Remember four words: bills receiver, cash bank, endorse, bank for collection. When their bill is dishonored, draw a return bill to drawee. It means every time drawee is the receiver. So when first entry drawee account debit to bills receiver. Second entry drawee account debit to cash bank. Third entry drawee account debit to endorsees. And fourth entry drawee account debit to bank for collection. With narration, drawee account debit to bills receiver, draws bill dishonor. Drawee account debit to cash bank, discounted bill dishonor. Drawee account debit to endorsees, endorsed bill dishonor. And drawee account debit to bank for collection bill dishonor. It means remember, repeat and repeat. Only four words: bill receiver, cash bank, endorsee, bank for collection. So immediately you say drawee to bill receiver, drawee to cash bank, drawee to endorsee, and drawee to bank for collection. Similar in the books of drawee. Their opposite side, you say accept bill dishonor, discounted bill dishonor, endorsed bill dishonor, and bank for collection bill dishonor. But that four condition entry same: bills payable account debit to drawer. It means bills payable account debit to drawer, accept bill dishonor. Bills payable account debit to drawer, discounted bill dishonored. Bills payable account debit to drawer, dishonored. Bills payable account debit to drawer, bank for collection bill dishonored. So simple. First one you want four words: bills receiver, cash bank, endorse, bank for collection. So in the books of in the books of drawee account debit to bills receiver, draws bill dishonor. Bills payable account debit to drawer, accept bill dishonor. Drawee account debit to cash bank, discounted bill dishonor. Bills payable account debit to drawer, discounted bill dishonor. Drawee account debit to endorsees, endorsed bill dishonor. Bills payable account debit to drawer, endorsed bill dishonor. Drawee account debit to bank for collection bill dishonor. Bills payable account debit to drawer, bank for collection bill dishonor. Dishonor concept completed. But when bill dishonor, bank charges receive extra amount when the bill is the dishonor. That charges called noting charges. Simply, you say noting charges when the bill is the dishonor. In the books of drawer, when the bank charge noting charge, that time cash goes out. It means when one condition, draws bill dishonored, drawee account debit to bills receiver, but noting charge is included, that time you say drawee account debit to bills receiver to noting charges. Discounted bill dishonored, drawee account debit to cashback. No need that to cashback. Two times directly, you say drawee account debit to cashback. Third one, drawee account debit to endorses to cashback. Fourth one, drawee account debit to bank for collection to cashback. It means that every time you record it to cashback, cash goes out. So repeat, drawee account debit to bill receiver to cashback, draws bill dishonored with noting charges. Drawee account debit to cashback, discounted bill dishonored with noting charges. Drawee account debit to endorses to noting charges, endorse bill dishonored with noting charges. Drawee account debit to bank for collection to cashback, bank for collection bill dishonored with noting charges. But opposite side, the noting charges is the expenses and the losses. Expense and the losses, it means a nominal account. Nominal account, expense losses present on the debit side. So first one you say bills payable account debit to drawer. Here you say bills payable account debit, noting charges account debit to drawer. Accepted bill dishonored. Bills payable account debit to drawer, discounted bill dishonored with noting charges. Bills payable account debit, noting charges account debit to drawer, bank for collection bill dishonored with noting charges. Every student know bills of exchange, bill draw in case in between their dishonored, but few drawee give not a total amount on the spot. They give part amount. It means the drawer say part amount received and drawee say part amount paid. When the part amount received from that drawee, the simple entry cash bank account debit to drawee, and drawee say part amount paid to the drawer. It means the drawer account debit to cash bank. Repeat, when the part amount received, cash bank account debit to drawee, and part amount paid, drawer account debit to cash bank. Second condition, the part amount paid, but remaining amount you want extra. That extra amount called the interest. So when their interest charge, drawers say interest is the income, and drawee's book interest is the expenses in the losses. So when their income, drawers book drawee account debit to interest, and drawee's book interest account debit to drawer. Repeat, in the books of drawer, your entry drawee account debit to interest being interest charge, and opposite in the books of drawee interest account debit to drawer being interest charge. A third condition, any drawee are capable to pay that amount before that maturity. That bill called the retired bill. It means due date के पहले उन्होंने पैसा पे किया तो that bill called the retired bill. So retired bill remind your discounted entry. Discounted entry is the cash bank account debit, discount account debit to bill receiver. Here similar. What do you say? Cash bank account debit, rebate account debit to bills receivable. Repeat, cash bank account debit, rebate account debit to bills receivable. It means discount को हटा के उसके जगह पर आप बैड डेब्ट्स को रिबेट को अप्लाई करोगे. So repeat, cash bank account debit, rebate account debit to bills receivable, and opposite side bills payable account debit to cash bank to discount. Repeat, bills payable account debit to cash bank to discount. Both sides similar. The narration is the being bill retired. Being bill retired. Condition number 4 is the insolvency. What do you mean by that insolvency? The dishonored is not capable, but after that they drawee pay the amount. But here, insolvency, it means that after that, like, Dravi is not capable pay their amount. So, not capable, it means what? Their amount is not recoverable. Recoverable, not recoverable, it means the bad debts. So, simple your entry, cash account debit, bad debts account debit, and Dravi is the giver. It means a two Dravi. So, cash account debit, bad debts account debit, two Dravi. Simple narration being insolvency, few amount received, and other bad debts. Being insolvency, few amount received, and other bad debts. Opposite side, you say drawer account debit to cash and to deficiency. DEFICIENCY. Deficiency, it means the ड्रॉवी के लिए जो इनकम है जो दे नहीं सकता फिर भी उसके लिए इनकम है इसीलिए टू डेफिशिएंसी is not capable to pay that amount. That's not capable amount और इसके लिए इनडायरेक्टली इनकम हो जाएगा ड्रॉवी के लिए तो इसीलिए वो एंट्री बताएगा ड्रॉवर अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश टू डेफिशिएंसी नरेशन सिंपल बीइंग insolvency few amount paid and other deficiency few amount paid and other deficiency. So repeat all entries. First one, part amount, cash bank account debit to drawee being part amount received and opposite in the books of drawee, drawer account debit to cash bank being part amount paid. Second, interest is your income. It means drawee account debit to interest being interest charge and opposite interest account debit to drawer being interest charge. Third one, retired entry. Cash bank account debit, rebate account debit to bills receivable being bill retired. And opposite in the books of drawee, bills payable account debit to cash bank to discount being bill retired. Number 4, insolvency. Cash account debit, bad debts account debit to drawee being final dividend received and other bad debts. Repeat. Cash bank account debit, bad debts account debit to drawee being final dividend received and other bad debts. Opposite in the books of drawee, drawer account debit to cash bank to deficiency being final dividend paid and other deficiency. Clear? Thank you.